Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the international duty match in the icon journey of EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So you are going to play the icon journey of Zinedine Zidane in this live event feature. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, confusing how you can complete the quest, challenge the event so you can get ton of rewards from it. Let's get start the play button. Tap the live events. Tap this icon journey of Zinedine Zidane. So I'm going to show you this one, the 1994 International Duty. Tap the play. So you are going to play as a French national team. And you are going to versus the Czech Republic. So the Czech Republic is leading by 2. You have to score goal. Make sure you are win this match to unlock the another stage or the next stage and get rewards in this icon general live events. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click text button below. Enjoy the game.